Hey guys, this is your tutorial for using Boom Cards. So in order to use Boom Cards, you're going to go to the website, boomlearning.com. I'll also link it in the Google Classroom. When you get to the website, you're going to click Student Sign In. You're going to click that, and then we are going to sign in with Google. Once you click this, you're going to have your email address pop up. Just click your email address that's going to pop up. And then once you do that, you are logged in. So I created a student account so I can see what you guys see. So once you're logged in, you are going to scroll down and you see you have some assigned cards. And the one you're going to be doing today that I'm talking about specifically now is elapsed time. So you're going to click on it. And what this is basically task cards that are digital. So let's go ahead and do this first one together. It says, what time was it 1 hour ago? So I'm going to look at my hour hand and I see that it's past the 1. So I'm in the 1 o'clock hour because it has not yet gotten to the 2. And my minute hand's on the 6. So I'm going to count and start from the 12 and count by 5s to see what time it is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time is 1:30. But the question says, what time was it 1 hour ago? So if it's 1:30 now, an hour ago would have been 12:30. But let's pretend I didn't read that right. Let's pretend I just looked at the time and it was 1:30. And so I click 1:30 as my answer. It's going to tell me that I was incorrect. Oh, wait, I need to read the question. What time was it an hour ago? It was 12:30. So I'm going to pick it and I have my correct answer. And then it goes to my next question. And so these are just a kind of a fun, different way to do your task cards that we're going to do. If you guys need any help, let me know, but it's pretty simple. Just log in and then go ahead and do your task cards. I also want to hear your feedback. I'm going to maybe send a little survey to see if you guys like the website.